Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's recipe video, we're making a super healthy and delicious yet very easy acai bowl. So without further ado, let's get started. You want to start by adding frozen fruits of your choice and 1 pack of acai. There's so much options to choose from when it comes to the fruits, so you can really play around with this and have fun creating different flavors based on the fruits of your choice. I kept mine simple by adding some berry mix and mango chunks, then the acai puree. You want to make sure that your fruits are frozen to get the perfect consistency. Next, add a liquid of your choice such as plain water or coconut water, non-dairy milk, mango nectar, or lemon water. My personal favorites are mango nectar and coconut water. I ran out of my favorite liquids to use, so here I am just using some almond milk. When adding your liquid, only add 1/3 so that your smoothie is nice and thick in consistency. Blend your smoothie until it's nice and creamy, then go ahead and add the contents to a bowl, smooth it over, and now it's time for toppings. Toppings of your choice such as fresh fruits, granola, seeds like flax seeds, chia, pumpkin, or hemp hearts, coconut flakes, nuts and nut butters, even dark chocolate or sweeteners like agave and honey. Added some granola mixed with almond slices, pumpkin seeds, and flax seeds. Next, for fresh fruits, I only had strawberries and blueberries on hand, which is what I added to my bowl. But if you have more fruits, definitely go ahead and add it to your bowl. The more, the merrier. Next, I'm adding some chia seeds. They are high in omega-3s, rich in fiber, and it's just a great source of nutrients to add to your food. Using a sweetener is optional. Here I'm using some honey, but if you want to keep this vegan, feel free to use some plant-based sweeteners such as agave nectar or date syrup. Last step is to enjoy your delicious bowl. I really hope you guys try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.